Hi guys, John here again, and welcome back to another sensational day out here on the island.
Okay, so...
Alright, yeah, here we are. Welcome back guys. Just a video which we're going to tell you, I'll give you a few updates as to where we're at with the airboat and with the outboard. Because there's been some stuff happening while we've been away.
Since the last time we saw you guys, it's been almost half a year.
Yeah.
We have, what have we done? We've bricked an ESC. They had to get sent off to APD. They had to fix it for us and then send it back. We put a hole in the boat.
Put a hole in the boat.
Yeah, that's
repaired
awesome.
it. Look at that.
Yeah, look
beautiful.
at that. Not leaking.
We sent a propeller to heaven.
Yeah, we sent it to the moon and back.
In a
NASA,
million pieces.
Yeah, thank us later. But anyway, there's also some really exciting updates on the whole airboat product side of things and the kit.
That has been super awesome. Been working together with some super professional people. Swatty, Hammett, Jaggy, just want to say thank you for everything. You guys are the team. And we got some awesome airboat kits coming out, and we've got a full production model which you guys will be able to purchase as well. And the exciting thing about this is that
it's not far off.
It's not very far off. We're talking 8 to 10 weeks now. We'll have a website soon where you guys can give us your email addresses, and we'll keep you updated that way as well. So super much happening.
Yeah, a lot happening. I would like to add a reservation on that so we don't become the next Tesla.
All right.
There's no 2 weeks here, no 8 weeks, just somewhere around there.
That's right, yeah.
Let's not make it the next semi that just never comes out.
All right, no problems. But that's the timeline anyway.
Yeah, somewhere there.
So yeah.
So it's really exciting, and I mean, we hope to see what you guys can
do with those things. The other thing is that we're going to do now is we're actually going to give you the build video tomorrow of the outboard, and you guys will be able to make this thing at home.
Yeah.
We're going to take it apart, we're going to give you all the parts, and we're going to put
show
it together.
you what absolutely not to do.
Exactly.
what we've learned of almost 3 years of this now.
Yeah. And actually, 3 years of using it on a daily basis as well. So we hope that you find the information that we've got coming for you tomorrow
interesting and
super interesting
relevant.
and fun. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you then.
Yep.
Have a good
Thanks
arvo.
for sticking around for the information video.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.